Welcome to my YouTube channel, SM Wealth YouTube channel. Subscribe, video like. What does $4.5 million actually buy you in the US luxury market? Today, we are stepping inside an architectural masterpiece that redefines modern living. From floor-to-ceiling glass walls to a backyard setup that feels like a five-star resort, let's take a look inside. Right off the entrance, you're greeted by this massive open-concept living area. Look at these ceilings, over 20 feet high, flooding the space with natural light. And right next to it? A chef's dream kitchen. We have custom waterfall marble islands, integrated high-end appliances, and a hidden butler's pantry tucked right behind these panels. Now let's head upstairs to the primary suite. This room isn't just a bedroom, it's a private wing. You get your own private terrace overlooking the entire property. But the real showstopper? This primary bath. A massive walk-in glass shower, dual floating vanities, and a deep soaking tub that looks straight out of a luxury boutique hotel. If you think the inside is insane, wait until you step outside. We have a resort-style zero-edge pool, a built-in outdoor kitchen for entertaining, and a sunken fire pit designed for sunset views. Plus, down the hall, there's a full custom home theater and a temperature-controlled wine glass cellar. So, would you live here for $4,500,000? Let me know your favorite feature in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tours of the most incredible homes across the world. See you in the next one.